The Russian Federation Armed Forces continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, Russian artillery caused fire damage on exposed assembly areas and positions of Ukraine's armed forces, as well as foreign mercenaries. More than 40 Ukrainian personnel and fighters, 2 armored fighting vehicles, and 4 motor vehicles were destroyed. In the Krasny Liman direction, Russian artillery and heavy flamethrower systems foiled counterattacks by 3 assault groups of the Ukrainian Armed Forces from Terny and Yampolovka of Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy's casualties were more than 50 Ukrainian personnel killed and injured, 2 infantry fighting vehicles, 1 armored vehicle and 3 pickup trucks. In the Donetsk direction, while continuing the offensive, Russian troops repulsed 3 enemy counterattacks during the day. As a result of the fire damage, more than 30 Ukrainian personnel, 4 armored combat vehicles and 3 pickup trucks were destroyed. In the south Donetsk direction, an attempt to advance from the initial area for a counterattack by a mechanized infantry company of the Ukrainian Armed Forces in the direction of Pavlovka of Donetsk People's Republic was thwarted by a complex fire attack. The enemy's casualties were more than 50 Ukrainian personnel killed and wounded, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickup trucks. Operational tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery engaged 7 control points in the areas of Kislovka, Krakhmalnoye, Berestavoye and Monochinovka in Kharkov region, Georgievka and Vodinoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and Zholtaya Krucha in Zaporozhye region. In addition, 86 artillery units were hit in fire-on positions as well as manpower and military equipment in 172 areas. 1 ammunition depot of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been destroyed near Konstantinovka of Donetsk People's Republic. A battery of multiple launch rocket systems of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been destroyed near Krasny Liman in Donetsk People's Republic as a result of a Russian Aerospace Forces strike. The anti-aircraft defense forces shot down 2 unmanned aerial vehicles in the areas of Zhitlovka and Krumenaya in Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, 2 HIMARS MLRS projectiles were intercepted near Pervomaisk in Lugansk People's Republic and 1 HARM rocket near Makarovka in Kherson region. In total, 343 airplanes and 183 helicopters, 2,655 unmanned aerial vehicles, 396 air defense missile systems, 7,087 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 930 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,684 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 7,582 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Дорогі українці, щойно я підписав укази про відзначення державними нагородами посмертно поліцейських чи